Founded by Bernhard Joseph Gratt on December 1, 1986, Gratt Industry and Environmental Technology is headquartered in Capinzal, Santa Catarina State. Marked by the success and boldness in the search for new technologies, Gratt's trajectory is related to the manufacture of equipment that aims at protecting the environment and the profitability of the sectors, as it designs and manufactures equipment aimed at the recovery of raw materials, preservation and maintenance of environmental resources. In this video, we'll show you from receiving the raw material in our factory, and how we guarantee the quality of our products, to the shipment of the equipment. The parts we use in our products reach us through our own or outsourced transport. When they arrive at our factory, they are unloaded along with their invoices and immediately forwarded to the receiving team. After being received and identified, the parts go through a careful and strategic storage process in our factory. Commercial items that don't have a defined process are stored in the warehouse, while raw materials, such as metal sheets, tubes, and profiles, are stored both in the warehouse and directly in the cutting sector. Strategic storage of each material is essential for optimizing the production process, ensuring that parts are always ready and accessible for the next stages of production. This is where incoming parts go through a machining process to become the final products that our customers know and trust. The raw materials, followed by their drawings and manufacturing order, are separated in workplaces. They wait for their turn to be processed, and then they are taken to the machines to carry out the machining process. Among the main processes we have, turning and milling, being most part of its CNC type. After finishing each machining process, the parts are inspected so that the shapes and measurements are within the design specifications, then being forwarded to the subsequent process or to the warehouse in case there is any divergence or error in manufacturing. The carbon steel boiler is responsible for manufacturing equipment according to the projects. Manufacture of mezzanines, railing, platforms, pressure vessels, tanks, metal equipment bases, sluice, water and sewage stations, and a multitude of equipment. All these can be manufactured in various varieties of carbon steels and or mixed of carbon steel and stainless steel. The logistics expedition takes care of the planning, transportation, and documentation on the shipment of the company's equipment. It is up to her to define the best transport to bring products to their final destination as well as to plan the best routes.